We are actually moving from the definition of global the GCC to GIC, right? The innovation centers. So which is amazing. People and all the leaders who were the panelists, they were actually focusing on a lot of innovation. So they are doing a lot of innovation ideas, hackathon and all those things, which makes us move from our services mentality to our product own mentality.
Hi, you're watching The Mainstream. I'm Simran Shiwalkar, your host for today, and this is the second edition of the Mainstream's GCC Converge Summit Awards 2026 happening in Pune. I'm joined by yet another GCC leader.
Hi Simran, I'm Geetesh Prasad and I'm Director of Engineering at Arkose Labs as well as the site lead.
Thank you so much, Geetesh, for joining us at the summit and joining me in this dialogue as
My
well.
pleasure.
And let's lead with the heart of this conversation today. How do you see GCCs contributing to India's innovation and global competitiveness? I mean, that's been the talk of the town now.
Absolutely. And I think Mainstream did a great job today to make all of us leaders aware what are the great things that GCCs are doing, not only in India, but especially in Pune as well. So based on whatever the sessions that we have seen and the discussions, I think, innovation is the talk of the town. And it's feel very proud that, and as an Indian, we are actually moving from the definition of global, the GCC to GIC, right? The innovation centers. So which is amazing. People and all the leaders who were the panelists, they were actually focusing on a lot of innovation. So they are doing a lot of innovation ideas, hackathon and all those things, which makes us move from our services mentality to our product own mentality. So this is amazing to see all those things. And this is what we are doing in Arkose Labs also. We have set up R&D lab here and we are doing lots of innovations in the cybersecurity world and, making our product very competitive.
Super. Geetesh, any thoughts on networking today? I mean, we have a lot of GCC leaders under one roof coming in from different ecosystems. Any thoughts or any key takeaways that you would like to share?
It's one-stop place for us to connect with all the GCC leaders and everything. It was very good experience, during the breaks and even during the lunch breaks and the tea breaks. We had a lot of good conversation with good number of leaders. I personally had a knowledge sharing about what exactly they are doing in their own field, how are they managing their site and working with the people, and what are the different ways of AI literacy or AI adoption that they are doing. At the same time, it was also very good opportunity for me to share what the great thing is Arkose Labs is doing in cybersecurity. So many people were not even aware about this organization, and such kind of forums really help us to, put our own brand image as well. So it was very good, you can say, give and take about the knowledge sharing of what they are doing and what exactly we are doing, and make them feel, okay, yeah, in GCC or technology hubs, we are doing great things. So that's a very good conversation.
Superb. Thank you so much, Geetesh, for being very candid about this and joining me in this dialogue. Well, while we wrap up, I certainly look forward to connect with you again.
Absolutely. My pleasure, Simran. Thank you.
Thank you.